Children, today we are going to do English grammar, that is chapter 5, he or she. The chapter name is he or she. So now let us do the exercise and understand what is all about. Let us see the pictures first. Read these pairs of male and female naming words. So you can see on the left hand side of the book, you can see so many pictures are there. All these are male picture. That means boy, man, all these are male, coming under male. See, let us read king. King, K-I-N-G, king. Boy, B-O-Y, boy. Peacock, P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. Man, M-A-N, man. So all these are male. All these are male. Now on the right hand side you can see the pictures, that is female. So let us see which comes under female. Queen, Q-U-E-E-N, queen. Girl, G-I-R-L, girl. Peahen, P-E-A-H-E-N, peahen. Woman, W-O-M-A-N, woman. So you can see girls, woman, all these are coming under female. Female. So these are male, that is king, boy, peacock, man. So animals also have male or female. Okay, children? And female are these pictures you can see, these are all female. Okay. So let us see what is written here. Names of boys, men and male animals are male naming words. So the names which are given to the boys, men or male animals, the animals which are male, that is called male naming words. Okay, children? So let us see the examples. Man, tiger, lion, horse, father, ram, bull. Okay? So these are some of the examples. More examples we are going to do. Okay? Next is names for girls, women and female animals are female naming words. So the names which we give for girls, women and animals, also female animals, that are called female naming words. Female naming words. Okay, there are some examples given. Woman, tigress, lioness, mare, mother, cow. All these are female naming words. So children, you will learn these definitions. Okay, so I think it is clear which are male naming words and female naming words. Okay. So now let us see the next exercises or the examples what they have given in the book. Okay. See here, look at some more male and female naming words. So more examples are also given. So let us see male, female. So let us see the examples. Boy, girl, boy, girl. groom, bride, groom, bride. Cock, hen, cock, hen. Next, let us move. Hero, heroine, hero, heroine. Sir, madam, sir, madam. Son, daughter, son, daughter. Lord, lady, lord, lady. Wizard, witch, wizard, witch. Uncle, aunt, uncle, aunt. So these are some of the examples given in the book. Okay, this also you will learn, children, because you have to know the male and female, okay, what we call. So you have to learn and you have to write down in your copy also. Okay, so now let us see next. More examples are given in the sentence. Now we are going to see. Now look at these sentences. Okay, children? My uncle lives in London. So uncle, as you can see that uncle is male naming word. Male naming word. The boy walks home from school. So the boy, you can understand that this is male naming word. Male naming word. The king has a big army. The king has a big army. Okay, so the king, you can understand that it is male naming word. Okay, next is my aunt lives in London. My aunt lives in London. So aunt, you can understand this is female naming word. That is female naming word. The girl walks home from school. So the girl is again female naming words. The queen has a big army. So queen is again female naming word. So you can now understand which is female naming word and male naming word. Okay. Now here are some of the exercises. Let us do together. Write the male or female naming words. Number 1 is grandfather. So this is male naming word. So now we are going to write here grandmother. This is female naming word. So grandmother. Next is bull. Bull. This is male. Now here we will write cow. C-O-W, cow. Okay, this is female. Next is uncle. It will be aunt. It will be aunt. Next is emperor. Female will be empress. Okay. Now you see here queen is given. So it is female. Now what is male? It will be king. It will be king. Okay. Next is Nephew, it will be niece. It will be niece. Okay, children. Next is, again here dash is given and woman is given. So, what it will be? It will be man. It will be man. Next is gentleman. Gentleman. So, it will be gentlewoman. Gentlewoman. Next is actress is given. So, what is the male form of it? It will be actor. Actor. Number 10 is lion. It will be lioness. Lioness. Okay. Next is princess. So, we have to write here prince. Prince. Okay. Next is lord. It will be lady. Lady. Okay, children. So, these are the exercise you have to write down in your book as well as in your copy also. Okay. So, now let us do the next exercise. Underline the male naming words and circle the female naming words. So, let us see the sentences. The cock has brown feather. The cock has brown feather. So, the cock is what, children? It is male. It is male. So, we are going to underline it, as it is told that we have to underline the male naming words. It is male, so we are going to underline. Okay. Next is the bride is talking to the groom. So, bride is female. So, we are going to circle it. Is talking to whom? Groom. So, groom is male. So, we are going to underline it. Okay. Next is the lady bows before the queen. So, the lady is, as you can understand that it is female. So, you have to circle it. And queen also is female. So, you have to circle it. Next is the mare is pulling the cart. So, mare is again female. So, we are going to circle it. Okay, children. Next is the policeman chases the thief. So, policeman, you can understand that it is male. So, you have to underline it. Okay. Next is mother is baking a cake for my brother. Mother, you can understand that this is female naming word. So, you have to circle it. And baking for whom? Baking for brother. So, brother is what? Male. Male naming word. So, you have to underline it. Next, the hero of the film is a good actor. So, hero is male. So, you have to underline. And actor also male. So, you have to again underline. Okay, children? The last one is the saleswoman is showing me a beautiful dress. So, saleswoman is what, children? Female. So, it is female naming words. So, you have to circle it. Okay, children? So, these are the exercises. You will do it in your book. You will get this in the Google Classroom also. Okay. So, a few more exercises I will do it for you. These are not in the book. So these you will write down in your copy, everybody. Okay. So write the female naming words. So let us do again, children. Brother is male naming word. Now what is the female? That is sister. Sister. Next is sir, madam. Sir, madam. God, goddesses, goddesses. Okay. Cock, hen. Cock, hen. Postman, postwoman. Postman, postwoman. Policeman, policewoman. Policeman, policewoman. Son, daughter. Son, daughter. Dad, mom. Dad, mom. We say at home, isn't it? Dad, mom. So we can understand dad is male and mom is female. Lion, lioness. Lion, lioness. Uncle, aunt. Uncle, aunt. Actor, actress. Actor, actress. Girl, boy. Girl, boy. Lord, lady. Lord, lady. So these are all male naming words which are written in the red. All are male naming words, and these which are written in blue are all female naming words, or are female naming words. So these are all about the chapter, that is chapter 5. I hope everybody has learned from this video. I have done in the online class also. So practice at home. Okay, children. So I am ending the video over here. Okay. Bye bye.